this circuit of ICL8038 to produce the triangle waves. This is the triangle wave, the output of the ICL8038. As you see, we can't change the amplitude. Now we will put amplifier LM741 to amplify the output waves of ICL8038. Now we will add 100 kilo ohm potentiometer. Now connect 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. The first terminal to ground L and the other terminal to inverting input pin 2. Now connect 20 kilo ohm resistor first terminal to out pin 6, the other terminal to resistor 4.7 kilo ohm as you see in circuit. Now connect the ground of our power supply to ground pin 4. Now connect the positive of our power supply to VCC pin 7. Connect the metal terminal of potentiometer to non-inverting input pin 3. Connect the third terminal of potentiometer to ground. Connect the first terminal of potentiometer to output pin 3 or 2 and ICL8038 pin 2 for sin wave and pin 3 for triangle wave. As you see, this the output after connecting the amplifier, and we can change the amplitude.